Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about larucoarto.com website, or you can say relieffoot.com website, because these two websites have different name but the website owner is same, or you can say previous they are using this name relieffoot.com, and now when you click on this link it will redirect you to on a new link that is like this one. Okay, so larucoarto.com, this is a website. They are selling right now different kinds of shoes and all. Okay, so the basic thing I want to tell you, like, this website is very newly launched, and this is the new domain. This is only like 3 months from now. But if we talk about this platform, this is like Relieffoot. This is a old platform, or you can say like right now they are not available. They switch this domain to new domain. And what is the main problem? The main problem of the store is they are providing you a drop shipping products. Okay, and when you purchase product there is no guarantee you will get good quality of products as they shown in the pictures. You will get totally different product. Okay, and if we talk about like contact information, they are not providing you any contact information. They are just providing you you can say like email address by which you need to like contact with the customer support team. The email address you can see over here, this is the email address. Okay, so if we talk about their physical address, they are listed in Hong Kong. So it's a very difficult task to return your product and getting your money back. So be safe, be secure, don't try to purchase any product on these kind of stores. There is no guarantee like you will get good quality product or not. Okay, and if you get the product, definitely you are going to regret. So this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. I have created lots of videos on these kind of scams, so that's why I'm warning you. If you are going to purchase product, you are going to regret. Okay, so if you have any experience, so please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment will help for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, my dear friends, and bye bye.